Wala lang. Just wanted to show you my son's weekend routine. He started this basketball training since September, every Saturdays and Sundays at 6 a.m. And this training is free. Moving on, welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY project is for my son's Yuno costume. I have this leftover satin fabric from the previous costumes, but considering my son's body measurements, I know this is still enough to make the Sri Lanka costume. Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka? Hi. Let's begin with the robe. Fold the fabric lengthwise, then cut. While being folded still, press the fabric to make a crease, then cut again. These pieces of fabric will be for the front and back of the robe. Fold one fabric lengthwise again, then cut. Cut again to the desired length. The front part of the robe is partially open. Cut a neckline on the upper part, then sew the seams for the shoulders area. Sew the edges and hems as well. And this is how the robe looks like. But we're not done yet. Found this curtain at bargain section for 150 pesos. I think the gold prints are a good match for this red satin fabric, so I used them as embellishments for the robe. Cut the print designs individually and arrange them in the robe. Temporarily pin the prints on the fabric first, because I have to try the robe on my son, making sure the prints are not covered by the belt. Once arranged, finally glue the prints on the fabric. Now for the belt, create a pattern for the buckle. Trace it in a cardboard, then cut. I intentionally created a half pattern so that the design is symmetrical. Trace the cardboard on the fabric, then cut while giving a half-inch allowance. Cover the cardboard, then cut several notches on the edges of the fabric to make it easier to work on the curved parts. Cover both sides of the cardboard using a fabric glue. Cut a long strip of fabric, fold it right sides together, then sew. Turn the fabric inside out using this method. Push the safety pins inwards, then gradually pull the fabric out on the other end. Attach the strap to the back of the buckle. Arrange the embellishments like the gold prints from the curtain, flat gems, and I got this embroidered valance. I cut the designs as well and used them as embellishments for the buckle. Glue the embellishments using this fabric glue. I highly recommend this B6000 because I've been using this since I started making my kids' costumes and accessories. And here's the belt with the giant buckle! Just simply tie it around the waist. For additional details of the costume, I created these wristbands using an empty roll of kitchen paper towel. Cut it lengthwise to open the roll, then cut in half for the left and right wrists. Cover the roll with fabric and glue the same embellishments we used in the robe and belt for a uniform design. For the pants and headdress, please check the description box below for the links of the video tutorials. For the footwear, I just spray painted a pair of rubberized shoes with a golden color to match the costume. Okay, a little food for your thought from Albert Einstein. Creativity is intelligence having fun, so enjoy the process! And that's all for today. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching!